Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to install Pinterest application on an Android device. Well, Pinterest provides a platform for users to showcase their creativity, share their ideas and projects with others, and connect with like-minded individuals who share similar interests. So, how to install this application? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Play Store on your device. Well, so in this page, you can type Pinterest in the search field. Then, once you found this application, tap on Install option. Because I have installed it on my device, so here I'm ready to open and use it on my device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to install Pinterest application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.